Alright, this is just a quick video about this thing. And I've said that before, what a wonderful time it is to be a nerfer. With all the parts available and all the quality blasters, we got Dart Zone, really upping up the ante. Busby's been doing well. If we get Nerf to paint both sides of a blaster, I think everything would be right with the world. So, on Nerf Buy Sell Trade, a gentleman named Matthew Hoffman was asking for Nerf parts so he could build a contraption. And I kind of ignored it at first and kind of went back to it about a week later or so. And we kind of talked about it and walked it through and kind of talked about what he was doing, and he wants to do it for when he works with kids and does things, kind of, fun stuff. And he wants extraordinarily, crazy and totally off the wall kind of items. And we kind of talked it through, and I talked him out of using a Raven in the back because I didn't want to waste it on a Raven. And when we got it all talked through, I said, okay, what if I send you enough stuff to make one, and then you make one for me? So I had to send him enough stuff for two. So my son Gabe here went with me to the store when we mailed this thing, and I think it was 3 long shots, the 2 Stryfes, 2 Alpha Troopers, 2 double dealers, 2 miscellaneous other parts that he was using, and some magazines, and the motors. And so these are Foam Blast motors, Michelle 2.0s, and just a standard, yellow Alpha Trooper double dealer on top. And we're going to see how she goes. So, slam fire only, of course.
Right. I think that's it.
Alright, might need to put some rubber grip or something on that front handle just to make it easier to grip, probably, but it's quite a fun thing. And then what I was most excited about, of course, being how I like having my swarm flyer on my left hand, was he made me one of these for my right. And that's just on standard AA batteries. So, one very creative thing he did was he took the long shots and made them a stock attachment. I mean, look how small that thing can come down to. That's amazing.
Then you had the extra.
And you have a mag storage. So I really thought he was going to be putting the Stryfe inside the long shot, and this is what he came up with. So, like I said, you got people like Naptown Nerf and Drac doing wonderful, crazy things that are just gorgeous. And then you got Evan B, which is, really wonderful blasters that we have one of his blasters that's just wonderful. And you can do it any level you want, and just as long as you're having fun. So, we'll come up with another name. I think he named my arm blaster F89 and this one F90, and maybe he has F91 since he would have the next one in line. So,
It's heavy.
Yeah, it'd probably be front heavy. So, thanks for watching. Keep nerfing.